Good morning, my wonderful children. This is Christopher International School. This morning, we're looking at basic science and technology. Under basic science and technology, we're going to be looking at an aspect or a topic called rock and its what? Classification. I want you to know at the end of the lesson, the people should be able to 1. Define rock. 2. List the classes of rock. 3. Explain the classes of rock. 4. Identify examples of rock. And 5. State the importance of what? Of rock. Now the question is, what's a rock, or define rock? As we all know, rock is defined as a combination of what? Mineral materials present on the earth crust. Now you can also say that rock is defined as a combination of what? Of two or more silica. That is, silica means silica is the old name for what? For sand. That is, when sand plus sand, when they combine together, they form what we call what? The rock. And also take note that rock is any natural occurring solid mass or aggregate of what? Of minerals. Now I want you to put it at the back of your mind. This is a picture of what? Of rock, or a sample of what? Of rock. Next, take note that your rock can be classified into what? Into 3. Now, into the acronym called what? SEAM. Now, SEAM simply means sedimentary, igneous, and what? And metamorphic. Is that the key? Now, under your sedimentary rock is divided into 3. We have what called what? The classic. We have what called the chemical. We have what called the biologic. Now, under your igneous rock, mommy, we have what called the intrusive and what? And the extrusive. I want to talk about your metamorphic rock. Take note of that. It's divided into 2 what? Foliated and what? Non-foliated. Good morning, man. And I want to also take note that under igneous rock are those rocks that solidify from magma or molten mixture of what? Of rock forming minerals. Is that taken? Okay, I wanted to also take note. We're going to look at sediment rock are rock that are formed from what? From sediments. Is that taken? And I want to also take note that when you look at sedimentary rock, they are what? They contain strata. That is stratification. That is, they also occur in what? In layers. Next is what? Your metamorphic rock. What are metamorphic rock? Is the combination of what? Of your sedimentary and what? And your igneous rock. So S plus I will give me what? M, which is your metamorphic rock. And take note that your metamorphic rock are formed from what? From pre-existing igneous and what? And sedimentary rock. Now look at the examples of igneous rock. These are examples of what? Of sedimentary rocks, also an example of what? Of metamorphic rock. Take note of that. Furthermore, now, important of rock to man. That is, how is rock important to man? 1. Source of minerals, source of fuel. 3. Construction purposes. 4. Tourist center. 5. As ornament. 6. Source of food nutrients. 7. Formation of soil. Now you can remember that when rock is being broken down, it forms what? It forms soil. Take note of that. That's why when rock is broken down due to the agent of denudation, it's called what? Weathering. So it was from what? From your rock, your soil what? Came out from. Also, it also serves as a source of what? Mineral. This is your brain teaser. I want you to pay attention.